Live looks out of both Montana and the Dakotas this morning with another stretch of strong to severe storms ready to strike parts of the northern tier. And it's not just today either. There's going to be that severe storm potential reemerging by midweek as well. So in Miles City, Montana, you can see it there on the left side of your screen. Although it starts off looking decent, it's not how it's going to end. Here's what things look like right now. Still tracking a level 3 out of 5. It's more significant on our severe weather threat index, and it does include Bismarck, North Dakota, and Devil's Lake. Let's get you into radar and show you what this looks like and really pinpoint where the heaviest of that rain is. Right there on the border toward Big Stone, Kenmar, and you'll note that even crossing the United States border into Canada, these are some mighty big storms towards West Hope. And then you head out toward the west. And I can't believe, Melanie, that I'm going to say this, but we're tracking some snow in the forecast as well. Right there, Missoula, Montana, northern parts of Idaho, couple of snowflakes. And this really shows the dynamics of the atmosphere where you have that cold pocket of air running into that warm, moist air. And wherever that battleground takes place, that's why we have the outlooks for severe storms.
Yeah, where you have that clash going on. And then you travel further down to the south and east. You see the cluster of thunderstorms moving off to the north. So this is across parts of Missouri, racing north of St. Joseph, and then also taking you back to Dallas, where we have that cluster of thunderstorms, and also producing that flash flood threat. But today, yet again, we have that conversation of the northern central plains, where we have the greatest risk for severe weather.
Yeah, damaging winds, large hail. We're talking egg size. That's right along Interstate 94 and Interstate 90. Damaging winds, always a big threat. And here, Melanie, we can be talking about winds, well over 60 miles an hour.
Yeah, there's definitely a signal for that. So you will want to watch for that, because when you have wind gusts in this strength, even if maybe it's not a tornado warning, which tends to get a lot of the attention, wind gusts in that range can still produce significant damage.
Yeah, it can take down trees, it can take down power lines, and that's exactly what we're expecting to happen. Again, right around dinner time tonight, so let's say 4, 5, 6 p.m., and that lingers through about the 10 to 11 o'clock hour before things fizzle and fade in parts of the Dakotas. So this is I feel like the season of the year where kids are now officially off school and you want to go to the national parks, right? It's right around the corner from the 4th of July. A lot of great national parks up this way, but watch out, because if there's storms in the proximity, you need to make sure that you know where those shelters are. And look at those temperatures in North Dakota, of all places.
Yeah.
That's warm.
90s. And then you have that moisture that's getting pulled all the way north. So it's likely going to feel even hotter on your body.
Yeah. So, Nick, one thing leads to another. And what we're expecting here is going to be severe storms, not just throughout the day today, but to start the work week. Tuesday, it looks like we'll see storms. Wednesdays, there's going to be an opportunity for storms, all in those same places right here. So something tells me, Nick, it's going to be a busy, busy, busy week ahead of us right here on Fox Weather.